let's have Prelims series in civil services and group 1 prelims exam. You will have generally one joint military exercise or army exercise or navy exercise between India and other country as a prelims question, or they may ask you match the following. Now I will give you a list of important joint exercises and you can note down all the important exercises and just try to remember it. There is a chance that you may get one question from this. Let's start joint military exercises. Yuddha Abhyas, India, USA. Yuddha Abhyas, India, USA. Nomadic elephant, India, Mongolia. Nomadic elephant, India, Mongolia. Emerald Mercury, UK, India. Emerald Mercury is between UK, India. Indra, Russia and India. Indra joint military exercise is between Russia and India. Shatrujit, USA and India. Himalayan Warrior, UK and India. Himalayan Warrior, UK and India. Haath se haath, hand in hand. Haath se haath in Hindi, hand in hand in English. China and India. Ajeya Warrior, UK and India. Ajeya Warrior, UK and India. Ecuverin, EKUVERIN. Ecuverin, Maldives and India. EKUVERIN, Ecuverin, Maldives and India. Surya Kiran, Surya Kiran, SURYAKIRAN. Surya Kiran, Nepal and India. Surya Kiran is between Nepal and India. Shakti, France and India. Shakti joint military exercise, France and India. Sampriti, this is very important. Sampriti, SAMPRITI, Bangladesh and India. Sampriti, Bangladesh and India. Next, Garuda Shakti, Indonesia and India. Garuda Shakti, Indonesia and India. Mitra Shakti, Sri Lanka and India. Mitra Shakti, Sri Lanka and India. Next, Al Naga, Al NAGAH, Al Naga is between Oman and India. Al Naga is between Oman and India. Khanjar, 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 Kyrgyzstan and India. KYRGYSTAN, Kyrgyzstan and India. Khanjar, KHANJAR, Khanjar is between Kyrgyzstan and India. Next, Lamity, LAMITYE, Lamity is between Seychelles and India. Lamity is between Seychelles and India. Force 18, Force 18 is between Asian plus countries and India. Force 18 is between Asian plus countries and India. Next, Astra Hind, AUSTRAHIND is between Australia and India. Astra Hind is between Australia and India. And next, Bold Kurukshetra. Bold Kurukshetra is between Singapore and India. Bold Kurukshetra is between Singapore and India. Kurukshetra is between Singapore and India. Maitri, MAITREE, Maitri, Thailand and India. Maitri, Thailand and India. Prabal Dostak, PRABAL, Prabal DOSTYK is between Kazakhstan, India. Prabal Dostak is between Kazakhstan, India. Imbax, IMBAX, Myanmar and India. Winbax, VINBAX is Vietnam and India. Winbax is Vietnam and India. Vajra Prahar, US and India. Vajra Prahar is between US and India. Harimau Shakti, HARIMAU, Harimau Shakti is between Malaysia and India. Harimau Shakti is between Malaysia and India. Milex, MILEX, Milex is between BIMSTEC countries and India. Milex is between BIMSTEC countries and India. Next, SLINEX is not a military exercise, it is a naval exercise between, SLINEX is a naval exercise between Sri Lanka and India. Next, Agni Warrior, Singapore and India. Agni Warrior, Singapore and India. Next, times this very important military exercise, Dharma Guardian. Dharma Guardian, DHARMA space GUARDIAN is between Japan and India. Dharma Guardian is between Japan and India. It's very important question, Dharma Guardian. Next, Druzhba, DRUZBHA. Druzhba is between Russia and Pakistan. Remember, Druzhba is between Russia and Pakistan. Iron Mazik. Iron Mazik is between UAE and US. Iron Mazik is between UAE and US. Mount Everest Friendship Exercise. Mount Everest Friendship Exercise is between Nepal and China. Nepal and China. Rapid Trident. RAPID, Rapid TRIDENT is between Ukraine and NATO. Rapid Trident is between Ukraine and NATO. Vostok, VOS, Vostok, Russian military exercise. Desert Tiger between UAE and Malaysia. Desert Tiger is between UAE and Malaysia. Desert Tiger is between UAE and Malaysia. Joint naval exercises, very important joint naval exercises. As I told you, SLINEX is between Sri Lanka and India. In joint naval exercises, SLINEX is between Sri Lanka and India. Next, Sahyog Kaijin, SAHYOG, Sahyog KAIJIN. Sahyog Kaijin is between Japan and India. Joint naval exercises, Sahyog Kaijin is between Japan and India. Next, Nazim al-Bahar, NASEEM, Nazim al-Bahr is between India and Oman. Nazim al-Bahar is a joint naval exercise between India and Oman. Konkan, UK and India. Konkan is between UK and India. And coming to other joint naval exercises, Samudra Shakti is between India and Indonesia. Samudra Shakti is between India and Indonesia. JIMEX between India and Japan. Indo Carpet, INDO, Indo CARPAT, Carpet, it is between Indonesia and India. Next, RIMPAC, RIMPAC, US plus 26 countries including India. RIMPAC is the largest naval exercise. Malabar, India, Japan, US, and now Australia also wanted to join. Malabar, India, US, Japan, now Australia also wanted to join. And next, Varuna, between India and France. Varuna is between India and France. Sahyog Hyeblog, India and South Korea. SAHYOG, Sahyog, HYEOBLEOG, Sahyog Hyeblog is very important, India and South Korea joint naval exercise. Next, Milan, 16 countries. Milan, 16 countries, India, US, all other countries, 16 countries. Next, Clean Sea, Indian Coast Guard. It is a naval exercise of Indian Coast Guard. Clean Sea, particularly oil spills. Particularly oil spills. Next, IMSAREX. IMSAREX. IMMSARX. IMSAREX. It is between Indian Ocean countries. IMSAREX is between Indian Ocean countries. Next, IBSA-MAR. IBSA, India, Brazil, South Africa. IBSA, India, Brazil, South Africa joint naval exercise, that is IBSA-MAR. ASINDEX, AUSINDEX, Australia and India. ASINDEX, Australia and India. And India UAE bilateral exercise, same name, India and UAE. So, these are the joint naval exercises. These are the joint naval exercises. Air exercises, let us go with joint air exercises. Avian Indra, Russia and India. Avian Indra is Russia, between Russia and India. Vigilant Ace, South Korea and US. VIGILANTACE, South Korea and US. COPE India, it is very important, recently concluded. COPE, COPE, COPE India is between India and US. COPE India. Next, SINDEX, SINDEX, Singapore, India. Indradhanush, UK, India. Indradhanush, joint air exercise between UK and India. Garuda, France and India. Garuda, France and India. Eastern Bridge is a joint air exercise between Oman, India. Iron Fist, Indian Air Force air exercise. Iron Fist is the air exercise of Indian Air Force. Gagan Shakti, India. It's an air exercise belong to India. Next, Desert Eagle, UAE and India air exercise. Desert Eagle, UAE and India air exercise. These are all the joint military, navy and air exercises, and one question might come from this area. You have to try to remember all these important aspects, make a note of all of it and try to remember.